Sawadika. I am Shonli and this is my friend.
I'm Zola. We are part of the international program in Kasem Bundit University. And today my friend Chonli and I are going to talk about Loykrathong.
Yes, as he said, today in Thailand, we are going to celebrate about Loykrathong festival. And as usual in Thailand, every single year on full moon November, we have to make Krathong and celebrate together on the night. So, Zola, what are we going to do today?
Krathong.
Yes, of course. So,
Let's do it.
So, these are all that we need to make Krathong for today. So,
Today we have banana bark and we also have banana leaves to make something like this. And we need a candlestick in honor of Buddha and essence stick. And we also need flowers, any kind of flowers, but my friend and I have decided to use the orchid flowers and marigold. And we use paints to stick it together.
and last one we need scissors.
Oh yes, we need scissors too.
Yes, yes. Okay. So,
Done.
So this is our Krathong, and let me explain more some detail about Krathong. So Krathong, Loy it mean float, and Krathong it mean the lotus shaped boat made from banana leaf and banana bark. So this is our Krathong, and can you explain more about the purpose?
The Loykrathong is a festival celebrated in Thailand to cast away all the bad luck while praying to the rivers and welcoming all the best luck and the good wishes and good wills for our lives while casting away all the bad luck.
So happy Loykrathong!
Happy Loykrathong!
Yay!